Before we race, we need to do the customary car wash sound check, so I'm going to get Liam to rev up the Formula 1 car.
Liam, can you rev up your car?
I would like to put earplugs in first, but yes, I think if we're allowed to do that, we can do that.
So, Alex, what we do on Car Wow?
If we have electric cars that obviously don't make a noise, we have to make noises ourselves. In this Rimac, I'm going to have to make the noise myself, so I'm going to do some kind of engine noise. So this is my impression of a Formula 1 car. So that was my impression of a Formula 1 car. So I know that you can actually rev the fan on your car, can't you?
Yes, I can.
Do it, Alex. Make your electric car rev, which is weird. It's like a jet plane about to take off.
Is that revvy enough for you?
That is so impressive, but is it as impressive
As a Formula 1 naturally aspirated V8 revving.
Over to you, Liam.